See the Masti cage. Today we're going to see live in Kansas City, Missouri. I got to see one! Bobby, everyone, come on, Bob. Can I just look?
Yes, you can look.
Budgie is checking us in. Start your dive here. Let's go.
Lobster fighting with the crab.
That's easy. Lobster dive. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah, the crab was tasted a fish.
Except the open shells, those are their food. But you can touch any of the sea stars, you can touch the sea urchins as well.
Okay.
Just be very gentle and touch them on the back. We don't want to touch all those little tubes because those lead right into their bodies, but you can touch the back side.
I think you want to touch? Touch the starfish gently. Touch.
I think it's a bit dangerous.
You can touch the sea urchins. The only thing in here is their food. But anything else in here,
Let's go through the tunnel. Oh wow, so many fish all around us.
I think.
Oh, and these jellyfish. turtle was rescued, its shell is little crooked, so it swims little funny. Time to clean the beach for little turtles. So colorful, so bright. Well, that was one wonderful trip to sea life. See you next time!